Hey everyone, hope everyone's doing well. My name's Val. So I'll be doing my specialist placement at an agency in Philly. I live in Delaware County, so it's a little bit bittersweet that I'll be commuting so far, eventually, I guess at some point. But I'm excited for the hands-on experience. As far as what I'd hope to get out of the seminar, um, I think just ongoing support, I think, is mostly what I'm looking for. I'm always looking for constructive criticism, both from, the other people in the class as well as the instructor, which um, I think I've seen more as the program has progressed, but um, I don't get a whole lot of it, I don't think, to be totally honest. But I'm always looking for feedback on other ways, that I can enhance my um, treatment approaches and things like that. So that's always one of my go-to things that I'm looking for. I think I said the same thing in my field interview. Um, just constructive criticism, because I always feel like I don't totally know what I'm doing. I mean, we're still in this program, so I'm like also a little bit nervous going into the agency. Not sure, um, you know, that I'm ready to treat clients individually. I feel a little nervous about it, but I think that's probably normal. And then as far as what I think will be different, I think it will be very different. My first placement was at an outpatient agency, but it was group therapy for adolescents. Um, and I somehow didn't really know that until I was there. And it was a great experience, don't get me wrong, but it wasn't quite what I was looking for. So I think in this, I'll be treating clients, they do children up to 60 or something through adulthood. So, and I'm primarily focusing on children. So, in that respect, it might be similar. I did adolescents in my first placement, but this will be individual. So I think I'd really get to be able to know the clients and what they're looking for. What is causing their, whatever they're coming in to treatment for. And the group therapy was more generalized, because it was a group, so it could be up to 15, close to 20 kids in a room. So it wasn't that personal, I guess. So I'm looking forward to that change. Um, yeah, I guess that's everything. Thanks. Looking forward to it all.